What's up guys, Chuck Palmer here. If you turn on your air control unit, whether heat or cold, and you do not feel or even hear the air blowing, even though the fan speed is at max, you might have a blower motor problem. Even if your climate control system is not heating or cooling, that should not affect your blower motor. If you're not feeling much air, but you can hear the fan speed very high, the cabin air filter might be clogged and need to be replaced. So if you suspect you have a blower motor problem, the first things to check are fuses and relays. Try to figure out where they are located. Check your owner manual or do a Google search. Locate your fuse box and check the label. For this 2015 Nissan Rogue, the internal fuse box is right here. The label is on the cover here, and I'm looking for anything that says blower, blower motor, HVAC fan, or something like that. Locate the fuse and check with a multimeter or a test light while the AC is running. If it shows voltage or lights up on both sides, it's working. If there's a blower motor relay, test if it's working or getting power. A common test is to switch the blower motor relay with another one that you know is working. If the blower works after you switch the relays, the first blower motor relay was bad. Replace it. You can do a detailed test of the relay, and I have done a video showing how to do so. A link will be provided in the description below. If you have tested the fuse and relay and they are good, the next thing to do is to locate the blower motor. It is usually on the passenger side under the glove box. To get to it on most vehicles, you will have to remove some covers. For this 2015 Nissan Rogue, I will have to remove a few things. If you want to see how to replace the blower motor on this vehicle, see link at the end of this video or in the description below. When you get access to the blower motor, disconnect the plug, turn on the AC and test the wire for 12 volts. Use a multimeter to test the end of the plug. Set your multimeter to 20 volts and insert in the two holes here. If you get a little over 12 volts, common sense tells you that the motor is bad. But if you do not, there are some other tests that need to be done. Sometimes the motor will start when you knock it. So if you have an extreme cold emergency, try giving it a little knock to see if you can get it started and replace it as soon as possible. Other uncommon things to consider. The digital control unit like this has a blower motor transistor module. When this is the problem, your blower either does not work or stays on even when the vehicle is turned off. This is unlikely to happen though. Also, older vehicles have blower switch resistors. It controls the speed of the fan. It is usually located close to the blower motor. If the blower motor only operates at a high or low speed, you will need to find this and test for resistance. If when testing each pin, one or more is bad, this is the problem and it will need to be replaced. That's it for this video. If you want to see how I replaced the blower motor on a 2015 Nissan Rogue, see link in the description below. You might have a different vehicle, but the process is similar. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, but before you go, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one, guys.